Hello everyone, this is Dot's Lock. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today's lock is a Master Pro Series 6835. So that's it working. So out of touch. And get my tensioner. Let's see if we can pick this bad boy. And there we go. Finally got that one open on camera. The Master Pro Series 6835. Now I have struggled with this one, but I've realised that it takes a lot of tension and not so much peak pressure. We've got that one open pretty quick, so I'm happy with that one. The Master Pro Series 6835 completed it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all later.